និងជាកម្មសិទ្ធិផ្ដាច់មុខរបស់សមាគមតែមួយប៉ុណ្ណោះស្នាដៃនេះគឺជាការរំលឹកដល់ព្រះនាងឥន្ទ្រទេវីនិងព្រះនាងជ័យរាជទេវីដែលជាព្រះអគ្គមហេសីដ៏ល្បីល្បាញទាំងពីរព្រះអង្គក្នុងរជ្ជកាលរបស់ព្រះបាទជ័យវរ្ម័នទី7ដែលយើងស្គាល់ថាជាសម័យកាលមួយដ៏រុងរឿងបំផុតនៅក្នុងចក្រភពនិងប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រខ្មែរព្រះនាងទាំងពីរជាបងប្អូនបង្កើតនឹងគ្នាហើយមានតួនាទីសំខាន់ក្នុងការលើកកម្ពស់ព្រះពុទ្ធសាសនាមហាយានការអប់រំនិងវប្បធម៌ក្នុងចក្រភពខ្មែរ
Distinguished guests, esteemed national and international delegates, the night is getting more and more wonderful with more cultural shows to come. Up next, what will excite all distinguished guests and myself is the Royal Dance. It is also important to note that this dance is made for and by GGAC due to its connection to the association. As we reflect on the golden age of Khmer history, we look back to the glorious reign of King Jayavarman VII, a period marked by unparalleled prosperity, structural grandeur, and yet the brilliance of this era was not shaped by the king alone. Standing prominently alongside him were two queens, Queens Jayari Devi and Queens Antara Devi. Both served as a supreme queen and shared profound commitment to the elevation of Mahayana Buddhism throughout the nation. Education and the cultural fabric of the Khmer Empire, history remembers them not only for their royal status, but for their impeccable virtue, exceptional grace, and lifelong devotion to the well-being of her people. Among them, Queen Antara Devi stood out as one of the most highly educated and intellectually gifted women of the Angkorean era. It teaches religious and educational institutions. Through her visionary leadership, she championed the pursuit of knowledge and significantly elevated the role and status of women in the Angkorean society.
ដូច្នេះសូមមេត្តាជាងតូចនិងសូមគោរពបញ្ជើញទស្សនាផ្ទាំងស្នេហភាពទាំងទស្សនីយភាពដ៏វិសេសវិសាលនេះដោយមេត្រី
Tonight, we honor their timeless legacy, a testament to wisdom, leadership, and the enduring power of education. Please enjoy the performance.
យ៉ាងក្រៃលែងសូមសម្លេងអបអរសាទរជូនដល់ញាតិការីដ៏ស្រស់ស្អាត
Thank you to our wonderful local performers for this wonderful dance, highlighting the most important figures in our society.
ពិតជាស្រស់ស្អាតល្បឿនល្បឿនទន់ភ្លន់ស័ក្តិសមជាមួយនឹងទស្សនីយភាពរបាំវរៈក្សត្រីចាជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀតរបាំដ៏មានអត្ថន័យនេះគឺជា